लड़की लड़की कहाँ हमें सपनों से दूरी रखा, भविष्य था लापता हमने एक राह चुना, एक विश्वास था सपना होगा पूरा, हिम्मत न हारेंगे नई दुनिया।
काम कपड़े से इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हम लोग ले पाते नहीं हैं दुकान से, इसलिए कि महंगा रहता है तो पैसा नहीं रहता है। जहाँ आर्थिक बचदानी में जाते हैं गंदा रहता है तो सड़ जाता है तो बीमारी होता है।
Hi, I'm Jaideep.
Hi, I'm Sambodhi. We are the co-founders of Aakar Innovations. Aakar Innovations serves to empower rural women with effective and hygienic menstrual protection,
While creating livelihood opportunities for them.
We created Anandi, a comfortable, affordable pad which meets all the quality requirements of the Bureau of Indian Standards. To produce Anandi pads, we created a one-of-its-kind, low-cost machinery which is easy to operate and is low on energy consumption.
and it's not only a revolutionary sanitary pad or a machine that we have created, but we have essentially revolutionized the way in which businesses are done.
Most companies have their goods manufactured and shipped to cities with established networks where there is sufficient demand to cover transportation costs. This leaves our rural areas where the market is too dispersed and inaccessible for their business. This is where Aakar comes in. We bring our low-cost sanitary production unit to be placed in villages like a mini factory where women are employed to make these pads and cater to local demand directly. And to ensure that each of our production unit become truly sustainable, we not only help them source financial support for these women groups, but we also provide capacity training to these women as well.
Now, not only do they have the technical expertise to make a quality pad, but also the business skills to run their own enterprise while educating women within their communities on proper menstrual hygiene.
One of the choices that we made was production of sanitary napkins because we have a very large number of adolescent girls in our education program. So we are always in need of sanitary pads.
इससे पहले हम लोग कपड़ा लेते थे ना तो गंदे ढंग का कपड़ा रहता था, उसमें केमिकल वगैरह नहीं रहता था ना। तो जब से आनंदी पैड बना तो उससे बहुत हम लोग के लाभ हुआ। वो साफ़ सुथरा रहता है और उसे रखने से बहुत कंफर्टेबल फीलिंग करते हैं।
जहाँ हम लोग जी चाहेगा वहाँ हम लोग जा सकते हैं इसके तरफ। और कपड़ा से उतना हम लोग नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि जब हम लोग लेते हैं कपड़ा तो गर्मी के समय में बहुत यहाँ
स्मेल देता है और पीछे घसक जाता तो चलने में नहीं बनता है, इसलिए हम लोग पैड ही हम लोग यूज करना चाहते हैं।
So, we were exceptionally proud and happy when last year we were selected to be the gold winner of India Innovation Program and was published in The Economist, The Wall Street Journal, Wired UK and The Hindu, India's most trusted newspaper.
Aakar Innovations was one of the winners of our 2013 Impact Investing Strategy Pitch at Northeastern University. This was because of their livelihood creation and ingenuity in creating a low-cost sanitary napkin production unit which equips rural women with the Anandi pad.
We now have 10 production units running all across India, which is quickly going to expand to 40 units in a year's time, which means an additional 300 women get access to a sustainable source of income with an estimated outreach of 150,000 rural women. By pledging your support, you will enable us to
Enable women to be educated on how to sell and distribute the Anandi pad in their own communities because we know they can.
We conduct specialized trainings reenacting real-life scenarios for a period of up to a year. Based on our experiences, it costs $91 to train a woman for a year before she is ready to start on her own. This adds up to $27,000 for 300 women. We need your help so that village entrepreneurs are able to create their own sustainable micro-enterprises of selling sanitary pads.
Please your support. Please your support. Please your support.
Please your support.
Please your support.
Pledge your support.
and together you can make this woman do better and achieve more.